Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be doing a video on this new Olight, and this is the ArkPro flashlight. This is a new product that just came out this week that has not been released until today. So we want to show you a unboxing, features, and kind of like a review of what we think of this product comparable to the previous models. And we're going to tell you what we think and what we love about this so much. So stay tuned for this video. So we're going to start off with doing an unboxing on this particular product. It is the new Olight, and this is the ArkPro flashlight. This is a new product. It has not really been released yet, so we're going to be showing you like a preliminary video of all the features, unboxing, what all it does, kind of similar features it has to the previous models. But this has not been released yet. So we will put a link down in the description below. That way you can click on that link and you can buy it. It will be released as of the release of this video. So we're gonna take this out of the box, kind of show you guys what's inside and show you some of the features and differences of what this was compared to the previous model. So this is the contents that you will take out of the box right here. It does have some stickers on the bottom and top telling you to charge and things like that. But this is the content you're gonna get, which is the actual flashlight and then the charging unit, which does use a regular USB, and then this is magnetized here so that you can stick it right to the bottom. I'm going to show you. Boom. Okay, that is strong, super strong to get on there. So you can USB charge this, and this comes with it, and then you can also use a USB type C as well, but it does not come with it. I want to give you some specs on this as well. When you're over here on the spotlight feature, when you are on the max intensity, it is 10,600 candela. So it is extremely bright when it is on the spotlight feature. And it does have multiple levels of brightness, but on the highest level, it is 10,600 candela. And when you go over to the pure flood, you're basically right over here on this setting. This has multiple levels and strobe, and it can do right around 1700 lumens, which is pretty amazing and extremely bright. Remember that it is 1700 lumens on its highest setting, and that will eat the battery way faster than it would when it's on the lowest setting. So just remember that when you're using it on the brightest setting. And when you do switch over to the laser pointer on this side right here, boom, and you turn that on, it does have 2 levels of intensity when you do that. So you can put it up, hold it down again, and it will do a higher level of intensity. So when you have it on level 1, it's a class 1. When you have it on level 2, it is a class 3. Kind of show you when it's on low mode right here, and you do this and you hold it down, it's going to change to high mode. So basically when you go in here to there, boom, way brighter. So it's going to be class 3 high mode, and then when you go to low mode, you'll be class 1 on low mode, and it tells you right there when you turn it up and down how bright it is. See, you can see right there on the dial as well. It's pretty cool. One of the things that you can do is you can turn on the laser. So when we turn the laser on, and then you can also turn on the spotlight. So you can do both. So you have the laser and the spotlight, or the fog light. You can do all of these, the floodlight, the spotlight, and you can combine them. So we turn this laser off, and then we can turn this off too. So you can do multiple features on this as well, which is really awesome. So speaking of charging and USB type C, it does have a USB type C on the side right here, and it is a metal door that slides up. It is not a plastic door, it is a metal door, and it is really nice. It has like a little hinge on it, opens up, and you can plug your USB type C in here, or like we showed you previously, you can magnetize it right here to this. We'll show you guys that again. You can do some magnet, boom, and then plug this into USB. So it does have both options, which is a great feature to have in case if you're out and you don't have this with you, you can just plug in type C from any, your normal Android phone or your iPhone. You can plug that right in. This is a really sleek design. It feels like metal, like it doesn't feel like a cheap piece of plastic. It feels like a very quality built light, which is really nice, which is why the price point is where it is at. I like the clip on here. It is a dual clip, so it can clip this way inside of here, or you can clip it the opposite direction. So we're gonna do some testing with that as well, like using it in a belt or on a hat, and kind of show you guys what that will do. That'll be later in this video, but we want to kind of show you all the features right now of what all this has. It does have the laser button on the side, which is different than most of the previous models where you actually had to activate it through the switch. This one actually has it right on the side right here. And then it also has your front dial right here, which is really nice for your thumb. You can just control everything right here, holding it like this, and then just control everything right there from the thumb. Kind of show you the front here as well with the LEDs. So when you do charge this, which is pretty cool, when you got it plugged in, it will show you the charging battery level meter as well, which is really cool. That is a nice feature to know when you're charging the unit. We want to show you the laser. When you push this button right here on the side, boom, that's your laser. Oop. There you go. And then you push that, and then that's going to give you your laser beam right there, which is a great thing for me, because when you're trying to build something and you want to know what is level or parallel, you can use this to be able to measure where your end part will be when you're building a panel or doing things. This is a great helper for whenever you're trying to figure out where the end point is if you're trying to build something that's level, which is really nice. And that button is actually right there on the side. So when you push it again, it's going to turn right off. After showing you the green light, when you push it on here, we've got the dial turned to this front position right here, which is this one here. Push that, and that is your black light, which is pretty cool. It's got that right there in the middle. And then you can use that for a black light. Now for me, I don't use a black light that much, but for somebody else, see, you can pick up on everything that's on the table. But for somebody that needs a black light, this is a great feature to have. For me, it's not a huge feature, but it definitely does have it on there. So I want to show you guys that as you push this, boom, goes right there. And then that'll turn that on right there, which I believe this is the floodlight. I'm going to turn off the lights real quick and show you guys how bright this is. So I turned out the lights, and let me push this on here real quick right there. And then that's going to show you, and we'll do some testing with this and show you. So that is going to show you how it kind of like makes the beam not like have a dot in the middle, if you kind of see that right there. And then if we take it and then we turn it, turn it off, and then we go over to this one, it's going to make it right there in the middle where it has the beam in the middle. If you see how it is like that. So this one is more like a flashlight, whereas if this, you click on it and you go back one to here, this is more like a floodlight. So it's not going to put that dot in the middle. It's just going to disperse the beam. Now I'll turn this on and show you how bright this is as well outside. And if we click this and we hold it down, yep, it's going to get much brighter. Oh, there's the level 3. Wow, that is bright. We'll go outside and I'll show you how bright this is. This is insane. So you hold it down. Oh my gosh, there's level 4. Holy moly. And it tells you the level right there too. Look. And then off. So that's 1. Boom. There's 2, 3, and then off again. See? And it tells you the dial on there. So let's see if it does that as well. When we click this off, let's go over here to flashlight. There's 1. Hold again. There's 2. Hold again. There's 3. And then hold again. There's off. Okay, so you got 2. So 1, and we hold it down, hold it down. I think there's 3 levels, so it's got 1, 2, and 3 on there. And it puts I mean, this is extremely bright. So we'll go outside and I'll kind of show you how bright this thing is, which is crazy. I want to show you how bright this is. It's completely dark in here, okay? So that's just 1. That's level 1 to see. Like if you want to go in our kitchen right here, okay? That is 1. Click it again. Okay, go off. Click it again. That's level 2. Okay, we'll go. There's 3 right there. So that's the brightest setting. That's how bright this is. And then when I turn this off, I'll show you. Nothing. Well, that's 1 right there. So there's 1, 2, 3. That's how bright it is. Now I'm gonna turn this completely off just to show you how bright this is. Can't see anything. That's pitch black dark. Now I'm outside. So here's the piece right here. It is pretty dark out here. There's not very much light. So if I click this on, right, that's how bright this is. Okay, that is on level. Okay, kick it on. Okay, there's one. That's one. There's two. That's two right there. And then three. Boom. This is on level 3. This is how far I can see. I can see all the way over to there. Like, that's how crazy bright this is. So here's one, or this is the highest level, right? This is, oh no, this is the highest level. I thought we were on the highest level. Jeez Louise. Man, this thing is bright. This thing is insane bright. I bet I'm gonna make the neighbors really upset. So let's go back to level 1. Okay, so this is level 1. Can't see a whole lot, right? And this is about how much your standard flashlight is. This is about how bright a standard flashlight is, okay? Let's go to level 2. Boom. This is bright. I mean, even at level 2, this thing is bright. Crazy bright. Look at that. Level 2. And then level 3. Boom. That is so bright. Like, you can see everything. Let's go level 4. Okay, so it only has 3 levels. I keep thinking it has 4, but it only has 3. But that is insanely bright. Insane. So I'm gonna go and this is a pitch black my garage, okay? Okay, that's 1. Or actually that's on setting 2 right there. That's if I wanted to light up my garage, right? So let's take it to several. Okay, that's level, I think that's the highest level right there. So I'm gonna take it back to the standard level real quick. Okay, that is standard level right there, okay? So this is the first notch on there, first level, right? Which right here, you can see a pretty decent amount, right? But if you wanted to go up with it to try to see with it, it kind of makes it tough. But if you go 2, boom, if I aim that at the ceiling, it lights up everything in my garage, which is crazy. And you can still see in front of you, everything like that. And that's only on level 2. Now, if I go on level 3, it's like having the light on in my garage. Like, I'm aiming this at my roof, and it's like having the light on. My light in here isn't even as bright. So I'm going to turn the light on here and show you how bright just my standard light is. Okay, so here's with this, I'm aiming this at the roof, okay? And I'm going to turn on my regular light and show you how bright this is, okay? That's my regular light. That's my regular light right there compared to this. I'll turn it back off. Okay. And that's this right here on its highest setting right there. Isn't that insane? Just having this up on the ceiling. That's insane how bright this is. I mean, this is so fast. This is insane how crazy you can see detail. Like, look at all that brake dust. So it is crazy what you can do with this thing. So that's level 1 right there. Nope, that's actually level 2. Sorry, I apologize. It's kind of confusing sometimes when you don't know which one you're in. So that's level 1 right there. And you can't do a whole lot with that. Now let's switch it over. Boom. Okay, now we're going to go to floodlight and do the floodlight part, okay? That's level 3. Man, the floodlight might be brighter. Oh my god. That's level 3 on the floodlight. It just doesn't have the middle part in it, so it kind of disperses the light way more, if you see. But like if I put this up against here, it might be brighter on the actual part. Yeah, it might be brighter. That's me holding it up right there. That's crazy. That's the highest setting, I believe. Yep, that's the highest setting. In this video, we're going to kind of sum this up with telling you guys what we think of this and, you know, real world uses and different things like that. Now, this is what we would like to do with the clip is we'd like to put this on a hat and do some more testing. And then this is made to where it can just go down and slide into your pocket. And then this part will go down into the pocket. And then this part maybe go into a hat. We're going to do more testing with that because we don't want to make this video too long. So we're going to do some more testing with this particular product and go out and do real world uses with it, because I think I could use this a lot in my line of work that I do with automotive, because with the laser that will help me you know, the floodlight and the actual spotlight, different things like that. Those are going to help me because I use lights all the time. And I mean, I'm not joking with you. I have Milwaukee lights. I have all different lights that I use to get inside of cars, get down in trunks, engine bays, things like that. I think this is going to be a great light for people that do automotive or outdoor use. Just definitely an all-around purpose light that's going to work. Now, would I use the black light part? Probably not that much. The laser, maybe. But I think it's going to help me to be able to do where I need to see something that's level and it will come out and tell me where the end point is. That's going to be awesome. The main thing I think I would use out of this, because it is an actual flashlight, is the flashlight portion. So out of a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this probably a 9.4 to a 9.6, mainly because of the build quality, how bright it is, and everything that it can do. Now, here's the thing is I want to see exactly how long this is going to last for, because they give you specifications, but that's not the same as real world uses. So I want to do some real world uses with this, make a secondary follow-up video, you know, maybe 20-30 days after using this for a while, and tell you guys our 100% positive feedback about this, because right now I have no negatives. This is absolutely amazing. It's a great product. It is pricey, but you get what you pay for. So we will be doing a follow-up video on this. I hope you guys understand that we just don't want to make this too long. We want to show you guys every feature that this has.